Have you ever made your own pickles? It's been quite a few years since I've done it, but I have a kit from Heinz that I want to try out. So keep watching if you're interested. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, my sister got me this Heinz pickle kit. It's refrigerator pickles. It takes, no time at all. Sorry, my ring light. Making these. She thought it would be fun for me to try it out, especially during this month, the National Pickle Month. So she's a pickle lover too, so she picked that up for me. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make my own pickles. Now, I have made pickles from scratch using my husband's aunt's pickle recipe, and they are absolutely delicious. It's been quite a few years since I've done that, but since I have the kit, I thought let's try this out and see if it's as good as when I make my homemade. So I do have some cucumbers that I got from the garden. I did plant a cucumber plant, so these are fresh from my garden. So let me turn the camera down, go over all the ingredients. It's very few, and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, so obviously we have the Heinz kit here, and we actually use this container to do the entire pickling. And it comes with this, and it has three different kinds of pickles that you can make. It's the Heinz spicy pickles, Heinz garlic pickles, or the Heinz sweet pickles. I'm going to do the garlic. It comes with 3 packages, and they are labeled. And that's the spicy sweet. So this is obviously the garlic. So I have 2 packs left. So if I like this, we can try it. And how stinking cute is that? All right, I do need to wash this out before we use it. I have 2 cups of water. I have some white distilled vinegar. We're gonna be using 2 cups of that as well. And then I have 2 cucumbers from my garden. I have a third one. It calls for 2 pounds, not 2 cucumbers. So I can use my third one. So let me wash the container out real quick and we'll get started. All right, my friends, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and slice up my pickles. It says to thinly slice them about 1/8 of an inch. So we're gonna go ahead, slice, whoops, almost got my finger. All right, my friends, I am going to go ahead and finish chopping the other 2, or slicing the other 2 up, get them in there, and then we're gonna move to the stove and get our mixture put together. So let me finish the prep work and then we'll head to the stove. All right, my friends, so I'm going to turn on my saucepan. I'm gonna pour in 2 cups of water. And I'm gonna get 2 cups of white distilled vinegar. Oh, a little short. All right, let's pour that in there. And I'm gonna add in my little garlic packet. I'm gonna smell this and see what it smells like. Almost feel like I want to add dill in here, but I'm not going to because I feel like I may mess it up. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to a boil, and once it comes to a boil, it says just to let it simmer for about 2 minutes and then pour it out over our cucumbers. So we'll be back once it's a boil. All right, my friends, it is at a full boil, so I'm going to turn it down low and let it go for 2 minutes, and then we'll pour it over our cucumbers. All right, my friends, we are done. We are done. So let's head on over and dump it over our pickles. All right, my friends. Oh, I need to switch hands. All right, we're gonna pour this over the pickles. Or the cucumbers, I should say. They're not pickles yet. All right. Let's give it a little bit of a stir. Smells good. Very garlicky. Very garlicky. Alrighty. There we go. I'm excited. All right, my friends. So here they are. So I'm going to put these in the garage fridge. And I will come back in about a week and do a taste test. So for me, obviously it's going to be a week. For you, it's just going to be a few seconds. So I'll see you in a few. All right, my friends, so it's been about 10 days and my pickles have been marinating in the pickle kit. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lid off of this and we're going to do a taste test. I had a fork. What did I do with it? I lost my fork. Hold on. It was sitting right behind me. Anyway, let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. So I can get a hold of a pickle. Oh my goodness, stop. Okay, let's see what we think. No, I don't like that at all. Just tastes like I'm eating garlic, and I like garlic, but it just tastes garlic like garlic and vinegar. No, I don't like that. I do have 2 other seasonings. I think maybe I'll save that for next year and try them. Just use the cucumbers from my garden, but yeah, I did not like this one, the garlicky one, at all. This one's a thumbs down, my friends. Hate to say it, Heinz, but the garlic one just didn't do it for me. Ugh. All right, my friends, so that'll do it for this quick pop-up video. I hope you have been enjoying National Pickle Month. I've been having so much fun doing all these pickle recipes, and for my non-pickle lovers, you're probably happy that National Pickle Month is over, but don't worry, I've got a lot of things coming your way. So friends, thanks again, and I will see you next time. Bye.